Scion is back as a side-by-side concept. The 01 is a 300-plus HP hybrid off-roader. Toyota will also debut a RAV4 GR body kit. Scion died nearly a decade ago, but Toyota has surprisingly revived the nameplate at SEMA. However, it's nothing like you remember, as the moniker is being used on a rugged side-by-side. Designed to deliver the ultimate outdoor adventure experience, the Scion 01 features a nearly vertical front end with a winch and a light bar. We can also see massive off-road tires, black cladding, and a digital camo wrap. Elsewhere, there are auxiliary lights and an FIA-compliant roll cage. They're joined by a rear-mounted spare tire, 4 seats, and a roof. According to the company, it uses proven driveline, suspension, and brake components that were strategically selected for reliability in extreme conditions. The company added that the 01 concept features exceptional suspension articulation and is capable of handling a range of demanding off-road situations, including high-speed racing, rugged trail runs, and technical rock crawling. Motivation is provided by a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain that produces more than 300 horsepower, 224 kilowatts/304 horsepower. The automaker also noted there's a silent mode, which enables the 01 to operate exclusively on electricity. Toyota's Vice President of Vehicle Performance Development, Don Federico, said, "The Scion 01 concept is about taking what we do best at Toyota and blending it with the passions that drive us." He added the company is exploring how Toyota performance can live in entirely new spaces and inspire a new generation of enthusiasts to get out and go. The 01 joins an assortment of other concepts, including the Camry GTS and Turbo Trail Cruiser. While we've already covered these, Toyota mentioned a RAV4 GR Sport plug-in hybrid with a prototype body kit. Toyota hasn't released pictures as of this writing, but the company said the crossover wears new bumpers and streamlined side skirts. The updates will apparently make the model look lower, with Toyota noting that the body kit previews potential future styling enhancements inspired by Toyota Gazoo Racing's dynamic aesthetic.